Hi, Johnny Timmons, MarineMax in Seabrook, Texas. We are on our very first 345 Grady-White Express. Excited to show it to you. Grady did an outstanding job of refitting a classic, the old 330, and you're gonna see all the new revisions that they've done with this boat, and I'm happy to show it to you. Typical Grady-White fish box in the back with freezer plates. We're running a diesel Panda generator on this boat, so that's gonna power all of our 110 side. Live well right here in the middle. Grady's typical jump seat back here that flips up, flips out. They added double dive doors, so we got one on each side and you got one over here on the starboard side as well. This is where it gets really good. Grady added a nice little jump seat, mezzanine seating back here. You can sit back here and just enjoy the day. It's great for fishing. We powered this boat with Jim Luck's outriggers. These are the carbon fiber ones. Easy up, easy down. We do have the full enclosure for this boat. That'll wrap and climate control all this area. Completely new helm chair for Grady. All new dash layout. I think we're gonna go with 18-inch Garmin's. We're gonna custom install it. Probably do a Phantom radar. Yamaha joystick for docking. Still, Grady-White still does the bow thrusters, which is really, really nice to have. I'll work you downstairs. We're in the cabin of the 345 Grady here at MarineMax in Seabrook. You'll notice a little lighter wood pattern than Grady's traditionally used with their older teak, that little darker teak action. Really brightens the boat up, makes it feel a lot bigger, being a little bit lighter in color. Antico flooring, kind of a maple top here with a teak trim all the way around it. Really did a fabulous job with the materials inside here. Big and spacious, really where they changed it from the 330 to the new 345, which is where we're on. Instead of having that quarter ship bed up here, now your full master bed's back here, and they opened it up by changing the staircase so it's got a lot more natural light. Hey, you can stay on this boat 2 or 3 days as a couple. It's a great cruising boat. Again, Johnny Timmons at MarineMax in Seabrook, 281-326-4224.